We are Rubix Robotix. Thank you for having us. My name is Alfonso Mendoza, and here's
Michelle.
and our robot's name is Robbie. Here's Robbie over here. We're going to tell you a little bit about Robbie. The building process came with a couple of problems. So here's a list of them.
Okay, so some of the problems we had was the claws kept coming off, so the solution to that problem was we added longer reinforcement bars to keep them off from the attachment.
Also, the wires could get in the way of this, we get bound around it, and it would just get all tangled up. So what we did was we rewired them to the shorter wires so they wouldn't get in the way of the wheels and the back.
Pictures, all that stuff.
As this is our first robot, when we were programming it, we mostly just wanted to make sure that everything was going to work, and we kind of just played around with the program, seeing what it can do. Found out you can do a whole lot. So we just did something a little bit simple with our programming for our first robot. And our issues that we might have had were like the light sensor, it needed calibration first off. So Ryan helped me out and found a program that allowed us to calibrate that. And then another thing is that as you all know, when you're messing with the sensors, you don't really know how much of what on the sliders you need to mess with. So while it's on the computer, so a lot of guess and check, and
A lot of guess and check.
And that's about it for the programming.
Yeah, because this touch sensor would just not actuate enough. And then your second attempt was just Ian messing with the sensitivity of the touch sensor itself instead of actually trying to put something on there. That was one idea. Put something on here, it'll touch it quicker. So no, the programming was the answer. A couple of pictures of Ian going to work, getting down to business. After all that was done, yeah, we had a Robbie run the gauntlet. So can we play that? And we'll do the live version too, of course. But this is so you know we're not lying. That Robbie, after you actuate the sound sensor, starts moving. The ultrasonic sensor senses a wall, so it turns left. After it turns left, it waits for the touch sensor, which touches the ball. When it touches its claws, close. And last command is light sensor. Black means open, claws, and done. That's all the 4 sensors included and all the motors used.
Questions?
Any questions?
Okay, let's see.
All the bases. So I marked like all my beginning spots. And you grab the ball about 10 seconds. And so here's Robbie's run.
Is it going?
Sorry, I just wanted to make sure he was straight. That's, again, a big promotion. So sound starts it. It says it's a wall. Touch sensor closes claws, and then it goes until it senses dark, because its house is white. So there it is. So there's the ball. Thank you, Robbie.